From Sooner Standards, Program Documentation, a complete Grade 6 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 6APPD05. Students learn to document text-based programs in order to make them easier to follow, test, and debug. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of documentation forms, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric. Plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQIM-aligned instruction across 34 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers,